we finish this one side before I'm lobat. So press back. Okay, press back and press back so become tight. Just screw a little bit. See? It's tight. Okay. No need shaky. It's up to you what screw, what you need. Okay. So guys, it's done. It's easy to do this, even ladies or teenager. Okay. Both sides there's a screw. Support screw only. One is enough both sides because okay. So if there's something problem in stereo or AC, it's easy to remove the other technician. Okay. No shaky. There's some a little bit part, but it's not important because our goal here is to tight this area, not fail down or not shaking, not always fixing. See, the important the top is fit and tight with both sides. Okay, so I think this is done. See, the gap between the edge are no problem, no big issue. See, okay. So another save money. A tips coming from this video. So all of you do guys, click the button, the notification bell, and subscribes for more video tips. A lot of different tips like healthy tips, beauty tips, how to save your money tips, your money, or about cooking, etc, etc, etc. So next time guys, that's all for now. So see you again because I'm lobat, even it's cold weather, windy and cloudy until lunch of Wednesday this week. So for now it's holiday, no work. So I'm still here working for my own videos. Okay. Okay, see you guys and see you again. For more videos, just click the button please and subscribe for notification bell. Okay.